There is a brinjal tree behind a householder's house. A Tuntuni bird has built a nest on that brinjal tree. Inside the nest are 3 very small chicks. They cannot fly and cannot make eye contact. They just yawn and chirp. The householder's cat is very naughty. He will eat the chicks of the Tuntuni without any reason. One day, he comes to the brinjal tree, looks up and sees the nest and says, "What are you doing, Tuntuni?" When he comes, he says, "What are you doing, Tuntuni?" The Tuntuni leans his head against the branch of the brinjal tree and says, "I bow to you, your majesty." At that, the cat is very happy and leaves. She lives like this and leaves happily. Now the chicks of the Tuntuni have grown up and have beautiful wings. They no longer understand their eyes. When he sees that, Tuntuni asks them, "Can you fly, children?" The chicks say, "Yes, mother, I can." Tuntuni said, "Let's see if you can climb the palm tree." He went to the palm tree and saw that the chicks immediately flew away and sat on the palm tree. Just then, the naughty cat came and saw that the children were alone. At that opportunity, the cat went to eat Tuntuni's chicks. When Tuntuni came to the field, he kicked the cat and said, "Leave Lakshmi alone." With that, he flew away happily. The naughty cat, gritting his teeth,